You probably learned early on in math class how to divide two numbers. Started with easy numbers and equations like 9 divided by 3 before moving on to more complex equations that don't give full numbers like 6 divided by 4. So what if I asked you, what does 6 divided by 4 equal? What would you say? If you said 1.5, well, you're not wrong, but you made some assumptions. Mainly that we are expecting a floating point answer. Remember, computers can only do what you tell them to do. So when we say divide 6 by 4, we are asking it to divide two integers, which can only give an integer result. Thus, to a computer, 6 divided by 4 is only 1. If we want to get a floating point answer, we need to tell the computer what we are wanting. In this case, a floating point answer, which we get by making one of the numbers in our division equation a float or a double. With this knowledge in hand, you should now have a good understanding of what interdivision is, how it works, and how to use it or avoid it and prevent issues. These Coding Byte videos are meant to explain various basic computer programming topics and ideas in a short, quick video. If you have any specific topics or ideas that you want covered, feel free to leave a suggestion below. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace out.